Unleash the breathtaking power of your Nikon D850 and transform everyday moments into masterpieces. Let's dive into mastering the Nikon D850, starting with its incredible full-frame sensor. Navigate to the shooting menu using the directional pad to customize your experience. For unparalleled clarity and low-light performance, pay close attention to your ISO settings. The D850 excels at high ISO, so don't be afraid to experiment. Understand the fundamental shooting modes: program auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual mode offer distinct creative control over your exposure. Aperture priority, marked with an on-your mode dial, allows you to control depth of field, creating that beautiful background blur. Shutter priority, or S, gives you control over motion freeze action or capture smooth blurs with precision. Engage live view for precise composition and manual focus adjustments, especially valuable for tripod-based work or intricate details. Access your focus point selection options to pinpoint your subject with remarkable accuracy. This is crucial for tack-sharp images. Beyond stills, the D850 is a video powerhouse. Press the red record button to access its advanced video capabilities, including 4K UHD. Experiment with the Nikon D850's extensive custom settings to tailor its response to your unique shooting style. With these fundamental steps, you're well on your way to capturing the stunning photos and videos your Nikon D850 is capable of.